Hello guys, this is Chef Deegee from the stables. Very excited and delighted to do something that's very close to my heart. A staple food from West Bengal. So we are doing steamed rice with Lao Posto, which is bottle-gourd in poppy seed gravy, along with fried brinjals and crispy potato sticks that I've done a little variation with peanuts and curry leaves. Hope you enjoy it. I love it. This is my absolute comfort food.
Let's start today by peeling and making 1-inch cubes of the Lao or bottle-gourd. The bottle-gourd is from the farm and is full of nutrients. In a pan, add 3 teaspoons of mustard oil, 1 teaspoon of Methi seeds or Fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon of Kalonjee or onion seeds. Add the cubes of Lao or bottle-gourd. Add salt, red chili powder, turmeric and mix well. Cook this for about 5 minutes covered. Meanwhile, soak 50 grams of Khas, Poshto or poppy seeds in water. Keep checking the Lao. Cut 1/2-inch roundels of the aubergine or begun and marinate both sides with red chili powder, turmeric and salt. Keep this aside and keep checking the bottle-gourd because you don't want it to overcook. It's very important that it remains al dente. I had also grated and soaked 2 large potatoes in salty water for about 10 minutes. Drained them and now fry them in hot clean oil till brown. Remove the crispy aloo mets or Aloo Bhaja and then look at this twist. Fry 50 grams of peanuts and 3 sprigs of curry leaves and mix this to the bhaja. It takes this traditional Aloo Bhaja into a different level. Add salt and red chili powder and toss well. You will see that this is an absolute winner now. The Lao is cooked and I have here now the Posto paste.
This poppy seed needs to be soaked in water for about 20 minutes. It's become over these years, ever since Britishers came into East India, poppy cultivation became popular and now is used quite frequently and elaborately in Bengali food and in Eastern India food. So we'll make a paste. We call this Khas, but this is poppy seeds, after soaking for 30 minutes, and then we will add this into the bottle-gourd curry that we are making. This does not need too much cooking because it's very vulnerable to heat, so we will put this right at the end.
Finish this dish with 1 teaspoon of raw mustard oil and 2 slit green chilies. Let's now get to the interesting part of plating the dishes together. Before that, let's crisply fry the begun bhaja on both sides. We covered it and char it on both sides. The thickness will allow it to be crispy on the outside and absolutely divine in the center. When done, we remove this and now start plating it. And as you see these dishes come together, I get so excited. The begun bhaja, the steamed rice, Lau Posto with fresh green chilies and the Aloo Bhaja. To add an additional extra oomph to this dish, a teaspoon of desi ghee on the rice will be magical. I'm gonna love this. It's an absolute delight. Cheers guys. Hope you enjoyed this. I'm gonna love this one.